The Accutek Servo-Driven Piston Filler is a semi-automatic volumetric piston filling machine designed to dispense a precise volume of product into each container. This translates to significant cost savings by minimizing waste products caused by overfilling. This machine controls the piston stroke length directly through an integrated touchscreen controller. It doesn't need air compressors, air dryers, filters, and the associated maintenance and permitting requirements. The filler can handle a range of substances such as pastes, creams, lotions, gels, and products with larger particulates or chunks. It's equally efficient at filling thinner products. The fill volumes are customizable depending on the size of the product cylinder and piston. Also, this version of the machine comes with a lift plate for when you want to carry out bottom-up fills. Contact Accutek today to see how this filler can make your production process more efficient.